Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are discussing the homopolysaccharide cellulose. Cellulose is the example for the structural homopolysaccharide. It is present in the cell wall of the plants. It contributes the structure of the organism. Cellulose is the most abundant organic substance present in the plant kingdom. It is totally absent in the animal kingdom. Cellulose is made up of beta-glucose unit. It is the example for the straight line structure. Molecular weight of the cellulose nearly 2 to 5 million. Cellulose cannot be digested by mammals, including humans also. Hydrolysis of the cellulose done by cleave the beta-glycosidic bond. But lack of the enzyme CELLOBIOSE, digestion will not occur. Here is the structure of the cellulose. Here using the linkage is beta 1,4. Next we are discussing biological roles of the cellulose. Cellulose do not have any nutritional value but important role in human nutrition. Cellulose absorbs water and adds to the bulk of the fecal matter and facilitates its removal. Next we are discussing the properties of the cellulose. It is white solid, not sweeter in taste. It is fibrous in nature. Insoluble in water, soluble in ammoniacal cupric hydroxide solution. It is the example for the non-reducing sugar. Melting point between 260 degrees Celsius to 270 degrees Celsius. I hope you understand this video. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.